Let us focus on the new questions, new type of questions. Firstly, we read, there are 80 dozen bottles in the hotel. 1/3 of the bottles are of Pepsi's, 1/4 bottles are of Coca-Cola, and remaining are Maaza bottles. How many Maaza bottles are there in the hotel? Option number 320, option number 240, option number 560, option number 400. Suppose we consider as a suppose consider a Sai Plaza Hotel. Sai Plaza Hotel is a wholesaler of the different bottles, and Shravani is a customers. Okay, Shravani are going to Sai Plaza Hotel, and Shravani give a list of some bottles. Shravani wants to purchase some bottles from the Sai Plaza Hotels, and Shravani asked to Sai Plaza Hotels wholesaler's names be Mr. Ravi. Shravani says, I want to purchase some bottles, and this is the list of some bottles. Okay. So Mr. Ravi said, yes. In my hotel, different types of bottles present now. Okay. So said Mr. Ravi said, in my hotel 80 dozens of bottles. How many bottles in present in Sai Plaza Hotels? 80 dozens of bottles are present in hotel. 1/3 bottles are of Pepsi, 1/4 bottles are of Coca-Cola, and the remaining Maaza bottles. And questions demand how many Maaza bottles are there in hotel. Right. So firstly, we know that one dozen means how many pieces? 12 pieces. So 1 dozen bottles means 12 pieces of bottle, right? So firstly, 1/3 bottles. Which bottles? Pepsi. 1/3. So Mr. Ravi said that to Shravani 80 dozens bottles are present in my hotel. Firstly, 80 dozen means how many bottles? 80 dozen bottles means how many bottles? 80 as it is. Dozen means 12 pieces. So 12 adds a 9. 12 adds a 9. 96 and 0 added. So 960 bottles are present in Sai Plaza Hotel. Okay. So 1/3 of the bottles of Pepsi. So 1/3 of means multiplied by 960 bottles. So how many? 3 3s are 6, 9, 3 2s are 6, 0 as it is. So 320 bottles are of Pepsi. Okay, next, 1/4 bottles are of Coca-Cola. Second, 1/4 bottles Coca-Cola. So 1/4 means 1/4 of means multiplied how many bottles? 960 bottles. So 4 to the 8, remaining 1, 4 4 the 60. So 240 bottles are of Coca-Cola. Right. And question, what is the demand of the questions? Remaining are Maaza bottles. In questions 80 dozens bottles, there are 1/3 bottles of Pepsi, 1/4 bottle of Coca-Cola. So how many Pepsi bottles? 320. How many Coca-Cola bottles? 240. And Sai Plaza hotels, there are only three brands. Which? Pepsi, that is the first. Coca-Cola, that is the first. And third is a Maaza. Third is a Maaza bottles. Means Pepsi plus Coca-Cola plus Maaza bottles. How many bottles? Total how many bottles? 960. Pepsi how much? 320. Coca-Cola how much? 240. Maaza don't know. So find out of the Maaza bottles. 320 plus 240 how much? 0. 4 plus 2 6. 3 plus 2 560 plus Maaza bottle is equal to 960. Right. So Maaza bottle 960 minus 540. 0 0. 6 minus 4 2. 9 minus 5 4. Sorry. So remaining of Maaza bottles in the Sai hotel are 420 bottles. How many bottles present in Sai Plaza hotels? 420. Sorry guys, Maaza bottles is equal to 960 minus 560. So how much? 400 bottles of Maaza present in Sai Plaza hotel. So which is the option is correct? 400. 400. Right. So are you got it? How to calculate this? Firstly, 80 dozens convert into 80 dozens bottles are convert into how many bottles? So 80 dozens means 1 dozens means 12 pieces. 1 dozen bottle means 12 pieces of bottles. 80 dozen bottles means 80 into 12, 960 bottles. Right. So 1/3 of the Pepsi's bottle, 1/3 of total bottle means 960. So there are 320 bottles are of Pepsi. 1/4 bottles are of Coca-Cola. 1/4 into 960. How much? 240 bottles are Coca-Cola. So in Sai Plaza Hotel there are in three types of bottles. Which one? Pepsi plus Coca-Cola plus Maaza is equal to how many bottles? 960 bottle. Pepsi will be 320. Coca-Cola will be 240. So how many Maaza bottles present in Sai Plaza Hotel? So 320 plus 240, how much? 560. Maaza bottle as it is, total 960. Maaza as it is, 560 is move to the right side, means this is the plus, and when we plus is move to right side, then negative. 960 minus 560, so Maaza bottle will be 400, right? 960 minus 560, so 400 is the answer. So remaining of Maaza bottles in the Sai Hotel are hotel will be 420 bottles, right? I hope you will be understood. Okay. Next questions. Tanmay had 6 dozen pens. He gave 1/4 pens to Soumya. 1/9 times of the pens to Lavanya and 1/3 pens to Nihal. How many pens remained with him? Firstly, you know that Tanmay had 6 dozen of pens, right? So 1 dozen means 12 pieces. 6 dozen means, so 12 into 6 pieces of pens, right? So 12 6 are 72. So 72 pens. How many pens? 72 pens. Tanmay had 72 pens, right? So questions. So focus on questions. He gave 1/4 pens to Soumya. First 1/4 pens gave to Soumya, means 1/4. How many pens? 72. So 4 ones are 4, remaining 3. 8 fours are 32. So 18 pens. How many pens? 18 pens, means Tanmay gave to Soumya how many pens? 18 pens, right? Next 1/9 times of the pens to Lavanya. Next what are asking to questions? 1/9 the pens to लावण्या बराबर कितना हो जाएगा? इज इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा? 1/9 इंटू 72. सो 9 8 सो तन्मय 8 pence gave to Lavanya. Tanmay 18 pence gave to Soumya. And Tanmay gave to Lavanya 8 pence. Next, 1/3 pence to Nihal. 1/3 depends to Nihal means 1/3 total 72 pence. 3 2s are 6, remaining 1 3 4s are 12. So 24 gave pence to Nihal by Tanmay. Tanmay gave to Nihal how many pence? 24 pence. And questions, what is the questions demand? How many pence remained with him? Means when Tanmay gave two pence, Soumya, Lavanya and Nihal. Tanmay had Tanmay had 72 pence. He gives Soumya, he gives the pence to Soumya how much? 18 pence. He gives to Lavanya how many pence? 8 pence. He gave to Nihal how many Nihal pence? 24. So how much? 18 plus 18, 18 plus 8 plus 24, right? This is the 0. 16 plus 4, 20, remaining 2, 2 plus 2, 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So 50 pence. Tanmay had 72 pence and Tanmay to give all the pence to Soumya, Lavanya and Nihal. There are 50 pence to give to his friend. How many friends? 3 friends. And how many to give to his friends? 50. And Tanmay had 72 pence. Means how many pence remained when? 72 pence. How many pence to give to his friends? 50 pence. So how much? 2. How much? So Tanmay had means Tanmay will remain pence 22. Which is the option is correct? 22 is the option correct. I hope these problems also understood is very well. Thank you. So I will give you some homework. Okay. So first questions, Pragya had 5 dozens notebooks. She gave half of the notebooks to Anushka and 1/5 times of the notebooks to Prajwal. How many notebooks remain with her? I hope these questions are fully understood by you. Okay. So next questions, Ravindra had 8 dozen bananas. He gave 1/3 of the bananas to Lankeshwari and 1/6 times of the bananas to Arohi. How many bananas remains with him? Okay, this is also easy questions. Next third, there are 60 trees in the garden. 1/3 trees of the mangoes, 1/2 trees are of coconuts, and remaining are jackfruit trees. How many jackfruit trees are there in the gardens? This is also a very easy questions. So students, there are three homeworks you compulsory to solve in your homes, and your answers will submitted on the comment box. And if you doubt, so you can also write the comment box. Thank you.